friends, today we are going to give you an overview on NEET MDS 2013 exam for admission to PG Dental courses. The exam will be conducted by AIIMS. Eligibility criteria for this exam. The candidate must be an Indian national or person of Indian origin or an overseas citizen of India card holders having BDS degree from a dental college recognized by Government of India. Syllabus for this exam. The syllabus for the NEET MDS will be as per the subjects and syllabus taught during the BDS course. The exam pattern. There will be only one paper of 3 hours. There will be total 200 multiple choice questions consisting of basic sciences, paraclinical and clinical subjects. The questions will be single answer objective type. Look at the marking scheme. Each correct answer shall be awarded 4 marks. 1 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. No mark will be given for the questions not answered. More than one answer indicated against a question will be considered as incorrect answer and will be negatively marked. The exam centers. This exam is going to be held in 5 different cities: Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai and Guwahati. Admit cards. Eligible candidates must download their admit card from the website www.aimsexams.org from 28th December 2012. Please note, candidates must take a printout of the admit card. Candidates are advised to preserve the admit card till allotment of seat in college. How to apply for this exam? Candidates should apply online only through AIIMS website. After selecting the online registration, fill in the details asked for step by step. No candidates should register more than one application. Incomplete application will be rejected and no communication in this regard will be entertained. Application form, complete in all respects, should be submitted online only. Acknowledgement with regard to successful online registration will be forwarded to applicants through SMS. However, the status of admit card will be available on AIIMS websites after 28th December 2012. Candidates must check the status of application form on the AIIMS website. Another point which is important, if the status is not available on AIIMS website, candidate should write immediately to the Assistant Controller of Examinations, AIIMS, New Delhi, along with full particulars of the registration of application form. Here are the important dates. The last date for receipt of application is 10th December 2012. Exam date 13th January 2013. Results by 10th February 2013. And the last date of admission will be 31st May 2013. To prepare for this exam, you can also check out PG Dental MCQ Test Preparation Success CD with over 9,000 multiple choice questions for practice. To order, please visit the link below. For latest updates, please visit successcds.net. Get exam and admission alerts free. Subscribe now. Best wishes from successcds.net. Thank you. Have a nice day.